Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Ubuntu bootable device using Baleno Etcher. In my previous video I have shown you how to install this Baleno Etcher, also Rufus, and many operating system has been installed in Rufus. You can go and check there. In this I'm going to show you using Baleno Etcher how to flash a drive. Go to your browser, just click Ubuntu ISO download. You will get first website here, download Ubuntu desktop. Just click on that. Once you click, you will find download Ubuntu desktop. Here if you come down, you will get Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. LTS is nothing but long term support, where this software is the genuine software which helps in long term supporting. Another you will get like Ubuntu 25.10. This is not an LTS, this is you can check the OS or you can work multiple operation of latest Ubuntu systems. So just come here and click download. Once you enter the download, it will ask you something regarding this. Don't fill it up, it will automatically gets download here. It is of 5.9 GB, approximately 6 GB. So let's wait for the download. Then we look into converting in a bootable device. So open Baleno Etcher, just click OS, that is Ubuntu OS. Then select the pen drive, it is automatically chosen, that is 61.5 GB. Then click flash. Once you do that, it will ask you the permission, give yes. So now you can see it is starting the flash. Once it's complete, you can just close the window and you can use your bootable pen drive. This is it guys. Previously I have installed my system the pen drive. So it's loading. Just wait for a few minutes. It will automatically get finished. Once finished, I'll show you. Now you can see the flash is completed. Just do nothing, just unplug your pen drive and use it for booting Ubuntu OS in another system. That's it for this video guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.